So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do in Claude is generate out SEO keywords to improve your website or video SEO, that is search engine optimization. So I can go ahead and say I have an educational website, so I want 50 SEO keywords separated by commas. So I can go ahead and say enter right here, just like this. And as you do that, what happens is that it'll go ahead and give the SEO keyword. So it says, what is the main focus of your educational website? So it's actually asking because things aren't clear. So I'm just going to go around and say online free tutorials on general computing and multimedia. Let's say, for example, right here, and hit send. So once you go ahead and do that, it says here's 50 SEO keywords for your online computing and multimedia a tutorial website, and then you can see like it says free computer tutorial, free online computing courses, and so forth right here. I can go ahead and say research on the web and find and give me more effective keywords right here, just like this. So I can go ahead and tell it to research and give me the keyword as well. And what it will do is it'll go ahead and search the web, as you can see right here, and will analyze it out. So you can see like there's like the best SEO keywords right here, just like this. So it's actually doing some research instead of randomly generating right here. And then in a while, what it will do is it'll go ahead and give me a better set of keywords. So you can see that it is still researching from all of these websites right here. Like there's the keyword search, and you can see that it says most says keywords on free tutorials and so forth. And it says based on my web research now, here are 50 highly effective research. Like it says free computer course with certificate, basic computer course online, free computer fundamentals for beginners, free IT training online, and so forth. And it gave me all of these, let's say, topic wise SEO keywords right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and generate out SEO keywords easily inside of Claude.ai. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe